So, can you please hand me a random cube? Anything?
Okay. I'm going to hand you a random cube.
Yeah. I mean, it's obviously a Yushin Gigamix. That's not a harder one. Can I have a harder one, please?
Go on, there you go. One from me.
Okay, what's this? So it's a
That's
5 by 5.
That's not hard enough. That's easier than the cube.
Is it from my table?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, I got one. This is going to be.
It's got the speedcubing.org logo on it.
Well, yeah, they all
This
should have.
one's going to be really hard.
I mean, I assume. Well, I'd like to say it's a Dianesa, but it just seems a bit too like robust for that. I think it could be an MGC or an Ultra WRM. Oh, or is it a Chi MS? Yeah, it's probably a Chi MS, isn't it?
Are you doing the Charles?
Do you want me
listing
to-
every possible answer?
Yeah, I don't.
What's your final answer?
Oh, is it? How
No
big is
one's
it?
off.
How big is it? It's another 3x3. Oh, okay, it's a Xenon. Xenon.
Think it's a Xelon?
Yeah, I don't know, but
It's an MP.
MP.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Also, you picked up a normal 3x3, except you actually picked up a square one.
That's what threw you off.
Okay, that's fine.
Right,
That's good
right, go for
footage.
this
Right,
one
can I
now.
have another
Go for
one?
that
After
one.
this,
I think that
I'll
one
choose
will
the
be hard.
next one.
Ooh, okay. So it's...
I've got one that will be hard. Very hard.
I initially wanted to say it was a Diane cube, but actually I'm having second thoughts about that. You've given me a Tornado V3, haven't you? So that my first turn isn't...
I know. Okay, I wouldn't do that. I genuinely wouldn't do that. Also, I don't actually know where any of the Tornado V3s are, so.
Good,
So
okay.
by the way, after this one, you can attempt this one. It's really
Because it feels like I would expect a Tornado V3 to feel, actually.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some ready.
What items are you doing?
Oh,
Good.
taking it apart.
Goohole V4M, I think.
Is that a final answer?
Yeah.
It's a peak cube.
Oh, I did consider saying that, but I thought it would be tighter, so maybe
Yeah.
mine was quite loose.
Shall I
Yeah,
take
I'm
this
not
one?
clearly not as good as I used to be at this. Okay, well this is a Scube.
How well does he know his cubes?
Yeah, I mean, I think this is an RS Scube. There's not many options for Scube, so yeah, RS Scube.
Yep, that's correct.
Oh,
And this.
I'd quite like to go at this. This seems fun.
yeah, it's quite a loose pyramid.
I like to think I know most cubes, but I probably don't.
I very
caps
much
come
don't.
off easily.
I'll have a go at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, whale on pyramids, man.
The caps immediately
fix
come
the
off.
cap, please.
Where did it go?
Yeah, I got that.
That's how you test.
Very successful. Very successful.
Pulling it apart.
Okay.
That's not how this works.
Anything else?
What can we do? What have we got?
Is it still filming?
Yeah. Oh, let's go, okay. Let's go this.
Probably fun footage. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty confident that that is a Diane Megaminx.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, I'm looking at it and I don't even know what cube it is.
Okay. What have we got?
Square one final, by the way, so that's one at the other side. If you can.
Okay, let's try this one.
Can you give some moment? So I
Okay, so it's a 2x2.
okay, I'll skip
And then logo.
afterwards. So after you guess this, we have some actual work to do.
Oh, right, okay. Right, hard. definitely not something.
Oh god, now they.
It happened again.
It's from the table, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it? I'm gonna guess a Chi MS 2x2, but I'm really not sure about that one.
It's that non-magnetic GAN from earlier.
Really?
Oh no, it is magnetic. Sorry, it's
That's a GAN one.
it's a GAN 2x2.
I'm concerned about my knowledge of cubes blindfolded. We have speedcubing sponsoree Jake Brown, who is going to put his tiger blindfold on.
Yep.
Unfortunately, I don't have any tiger cubes.
Does it go well with my shirt? I can't really see.
Right, okay, what... Oh,
Okay.
Harry's giving him a
Am
cube.
Okay, I'm in front of the table. Okay.
Right.
Here we go. Okay, this is the Sheng Shao 5-pin clock.
Okay.
Yeah, I know because I own one. That always helps.
Do you own the 3-pin one?
I do, yeah, I bought them both together. They're quite good actually, I enjoy them. It's good fun. Right.
No.
I don't know what that is. That's...
I do know what that
Okay,
is.
so we have a 3x3.
You should probably know what they are, Harry. You're just relying on me knowing what they are.
Default. Well, I know the important cubes. Like the tornado
Okay, so this is...
All the cubes on this stall are important.
You don't have to lie. I know what this
Except the cubes. The cubes are
is.
irrelevant.
These cubes are the most important, and that's why I know them.
And I could tell apart the cubes, so...
I can tell apart.
Now this has got flat
Unless you've only got
internal
one.
centerpieces, so it's not an RS3. It's quite snug. Like loose. Is this the peak cube I gave Daniel?
No.
What is it?
Guhong V4M.
Ah.
The one I thought you were giving me earlier.
Yeah.
Right.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
Oh, okay, big cube. Okay, so it's a 7x7. Except it doesn't feel that big, so is this the worm?
Mm-hmm. Out through WRM.
Nice.
Right, what other cubes should we give him?
Let's see how it's
See.
2 for 3 so far. Sounds quite hollow.
Hmm?
Ooh.
I don't know. It seems to
This is
have
a
disappeared.
Modi flagship. Oh, is this the Worm 2021 maglev?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
No. It's a Chi MP3x3.
How is it's got the ridges on the centerpieces on the inside. Oh, that's okay. That's confusing. Okay, we have a pyramid. My first instinct is the new Waylon, but I'm not sure it is. Although it could be the RS. It's cheap.
Interesting.
Oh, hang on. Is this a GAN?
Yeah.
Ah, that makes sense, yeah. Cheap feeling, yeah. No,
Okay.
can you tell I'm not a fan of GAN cubes?
Right. I wonder if Harry's going to get his blindfold now.
I'm not, to be fair, I'm... Okay, so
Literally any cube.
it's Harry's turn at guessing cubes blindfolded.
Okay, right.
We're gonna see what we've got.
This one is.
Okay, no, you can't just pick them yourself.
I don't even know what
Too easy. Right, here we go. Here we go.
Okay. So it appears to be a 3x3. And it's bad.
Bad, is it?
Actually, I don't know. It's just kind of like blocking. Kind of. It's definitely not a GameCube, I don't think. And it doesn't feel like a cheap one to me. But I don't know if it's something weird. If it's something weird, I have no shot. But I feel like this might be like an RS3M. I don't know which type, but I'd say RS3M.
No,
Nope.
Thunderclap V3M.
Is it? I thought that was way more like clicky. This is a skew, and it's awful, so I'm gonna go with Maylon.
Yeah.
The Scube expert.
But it's not magnetic, so
Right.
Alright.
The next one.
it's not a 3x3. This does feel like a GameCube. But I don't know, there's like a billion different versions of GameCubes.
I expect the exact version.
Yeah.
It's not super fast, so I'm gonna say not a maglev one. Is it a GameCube?
It's having
No, it's
doubts
got-
now.
It's got a GAN feeling, but it's got really strong magnets. I'm just gonna guess 11M Pro.
Well, you might want to check whether it's got interchangeable magnets.
I don't know, that wouldn't change my... I don't know what cubes have interchangeable with magnets.
I mean,
And I
you've
don't know
got the
how to
series
check.
correct, but it's
How would I check?
You feel it on the corner
You
pieces.
feel around the corner piece to see whether you can move
It's got the little
I don't
notch.
even-
the dial.
There's not... Then I don't think.
It's again 11M. I mean, you got the series.
I
right?
was close
See,
enough.
let's see.
I would say that's close
Considering
enough.
how many bloody... This feels small. Is this the mini one? I don't know what it's called. Geelong? Is it small? I'm gonna try and pick up. Okay, this is a mini cube.
Okay, well you haven't picked up a square one.
Yeah.
I can tell you that much.
Yeah, I figured that out. I made sure to check.
Yeah.
This is the Geelong. Or-
Definitely?
Wait, or it couldn't. Wait, no, it might be the GAN Mini. I forgot the GAN Mini exists. This
I think
does
everyone
feel a
forgot the
bit
GAN
like-
Mini exists.
This does feel a bit like a GAN cube.
What's the
And
final
it
decision going to be?
has silly like pattern on the inside. So I'm gonna go for GAN Mini.
Yep.
You're correct.
Let's see if you can get this.
I'm the pro, not that cube. So this is a 4x4. I think. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. Feels really big. But that's because I've been using a mini cube, so that's feels quite good. So it's not one of my 4x4s. And it feels super. Did you get this off the table?
Yep.
Are you sure? Oh. I don't know how. Is this? Is it feels kind of like a Wukong, but good.
Well, I don't stop Wookiees anymore, so.
I know. Is it an X-Men ambition?
Is that your
No.
final answer?
That's what I'm gonna go with.
No, it's
not.
actually MS 4x4.
So close enough with the
Now,
brand.
This
Anything
wasn't
else?
from the table, but I think there is another one on the table, so.
Oh, careful.
Right.
Right, it's been set up, I think. I mean, I know it's a mirror.
Be hard pushed to get that bit wrong.
I hope you didn't get that wrong.
Is it? Is it the whale?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Waylon non-Maglev.
No, it's not.
No, Daniel Partridge's main niche little magic.
Oh, I don't know what that cube is, to be honest. So.
How much footage have we got?
About 5 minutes.
Right,
Yeah.
yeah.